Hello everyone. Welcome to English Quiz Central. Today we learn English conversation for beginners. 3,000 words practice. Dialogue between Alex versus Bella.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too, thank you.
My name is Alex. What is your name?
My name is Bella. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Bella.
Where are you from, Alex?
I am from the United States. And you?
I am from Canada.
Oh, Canada is a beautiful country.
Yes, it is. I like it very much.
I want to visit Canada one day.
You should. There are many beautiful places.
What do you do, Bella?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a student. I study English.
That is good. English is very important.
Yes, I want to speak English very well.
You will speak English well if you practice.
Do you like your job, Bella?
Yes, I like it. I like teaching children.
That is nice. I like children too.
What do you like to do in your free time, Alex?
I like reading books and listening to music. And you?
I like walking in the park and watching movies.
What kind of music do you like, Bella?
I like pop music, and you?
I like rock music and pop music too.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Oh, that is interesting. I cannot play any instruments.
It's okay, music is fun in many ways.
Yes, I like to listen to music very much.
Do you have a family, Bella?
Yes, I have a mother, father, and one brother.
I have a mother, father, and 2 sisters.
That's nice. Are your sisters older or younger?
One sister is older and one sister is younger.
I have a younger brother.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. And you?
I have a cat.
What is your dog's name?
Her name is Lucky. And your cat?
My cat's name is Tiger.
Do you like animals, Bella?
Yes, I like animals very much.
Me too. Animals are very cute.
What do you usually do on weekends, Alex?
I usually read books, watch movies, and sometimes go to the park.
That sounds fun. I usually walk in the park and visit my friends.
Do you like sports, Bella?
Yes, I like sports. I like swimming and running. And you?
I like football and basketball.
Do you play football often?
Yes, I play football with my friends on weekends.
That is good. I like watching football on TV.
Do you like to travel, Bella?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit many countries.
Me too. I want to see new places and meet new people.
Have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I have traveled to Mexico and France.
That is amazing. I have traveled to Italy and Spain.
What do you like the most about traveling?
I like trying new foods and seeing beautiful places. And you?
I like meeting new people and learning about their culture.
Do you like cooking, Alex?
Yes, I like cooking. I can cook simple dishes.
And you? I like cooking too. I like making pasta and salads.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza very much. And you?
I like burgers and pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes. I like a little spicy food, not too much.
Me too. I cannot eat very spicy food.
What is your favorite drink?
I like juice, especially orange juice. And you?
I like tea and coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea every morning.
Do you like reading books, Bella?
Yes, I like reading novels and stories. And you?
I like reading stories and learning English books.
What is your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter. And you?
I like The Little Prince.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like movies very much. I like comedy movies. And you?
I like action movies and comedy movies too.
Do you watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I watch movies both at home and in the cinema.
Me too. Sometimes it is fun to watch at home.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone. And you?
I have a smartphone too.
What apps do you use on your phone?
I use WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube. And you?
I use Instagram, WhatsApp, and TikTok.
Do you like social media?
Yes, sometimes, but I do not spend too much time on it.
Me too. I only check it for a short time every day.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English very much.
That is good. English is useful for work and travel.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 2 years. And you?
I have been learning English for 1 year.
Do you practice speaking English often?
Yes, I try to speak English every day.
That is very good. Practice is very important.
Do you like writing in English?
Yes, I like writing. I write simple sentences every day.
Me too. Writing helps me remember new words.
Do you like listening to English music?
Yes, I like listening to English songs.
Me too. Music helps me learn new words and sentences.
Do you like watching English movies with subtitles?
Yes, it is helpful for learning English.
I also watch with subtitles. It helps me understand better.
Do you like speaking English with friends?
Yes, I like speaking English with friends.
That is good. Speaking is the best way to improve.
Do you have a favorite English word?
Yes, I like the word happy. And you?
I like the word friend.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Me too. It is interesting to talk with different people.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things every day.
That is good. Learning makes life more interesting.
Do you have any hobbies, Alex?
Yes, I like painting and listening to music. And you?
I like reading, cooking, and walking in the park.
Do you like going to the park often?
Yes, I go to the park on weekends.
I also like going to the park. I like fresh air and nature.
Do you like animals at the park?
Yes, I like birds and dogs in the park.
Me too. Sometimes I feed the birds.
Do you like watching the sunset?
Yes, I like watching the sunset. It is very beautiful.
I like it too. It makes me feel calm.
Do you like the morning or the evening more?
I like the morning. I feel fresh in the morning.
I like the evening. I feel relaxed in the evening.
Do you like drinking coffee in the morning?
Yes, I like drinking tea in the morning.
Coffee makes me feel awake.
Do you like eating breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. And you?
I also eat breakfast every day. It is important.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits very much. My favorite fruit is apple. And you?
I like banana and orange.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
Me too. Vegetables are healthy.
Do you like water or juice more?
I like juice more. And you?
I like water more, but I drink juice sometimes.
Do you like going to the market?
Yes, I like going to the market to buy fresh food.
Me too. I like to see all the fruits and vegetables.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, sometimes. I buy clothes once a month.
I also buy clothes sometimes.
Do you like wearing casual clothes or formal clothes?
I like casual clothes. They are comfortable.
Me too. Casual clothes are easy to wear.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV sometimes.
I also watch TV sometimes.
Do you like cartoons or movies?
I like movies. And you?
I like cartoons and movies.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate. And you?
I love chocolate too.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream very much.
Me too. Ice cream is very delicious.
Do you like traveling by car or by plane?
I like traveling by plane. And you?
I like traveling by car sometimes.
Do you like beaches or mountains more?
I like beaches more. And you?
I like mountains. I like hiking.
Do you like hot weather or cold weather?
I like hot weather. And you?
I like cold weather.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes I like the sound of rain.
Me too. Rain makes me feel relaxed.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, sunny days are very nice.
I like sunny days too.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I like learning English and Spanish.
That is great. I like learning English and French.
Do you like talking on the phone?
Sometimes I prefer talking face to face.
Me too. Talking face to face is better.
Do you like sending messages?
Yes, I send messages to my friends every day.
Me too. It is easy and fast.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read news online more often.
Me too. Online news is convenient.
Do you like writing emails?
Yes, I write emails for work and school.
Me too. Email is very useful.
Do you like going to school?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Me too. Learning is important.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, I have good friends. And you?
I also have good friends.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I like helping people.
Me too. Helping people is very nice.
Do you like smiling?
Yes, I like smiling every day.
Me too. Smiling makes life happy.
Do you like listening to stories?
Yes, I like stories very much. And you?
I also like stories. Stories are fun and interesting.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I like playing games on my phone and computer.
Me too. Games are fun.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I like drawing sometimes. And you?
I like painting. It is very relaxing.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing. And you?
Me too. Singing is fun.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing sometimes.
Me too. Dancing is very fun.
Do you like reading magazines?
Sometimes. I read magazines about sports.
I read magazines about fashion.
Do you like going to the library?
Yes, I like the library. It is quiet and nice.
Me too. I like studying in the library.
Do you like doing homework?
Sometimes. It can be difficult.
Me too, but homework is important.
Do you like watching the stars at night?
Yes, I like watching stars at night.
Me too. Stars are beautiful.
Do you like looking at the moon?
Yes, the moon is very bright and beautiful.
Me too. I like the full moon the most.
Do you like listening to birds in the morning?
Yes, it sounds very nice.
Me too. It makes me feel happy.
Do you like nature?
Yes, nature is very beautiful.
Me too. I like trees, flowers, and rivers.
Do you like visiting museums?
Sometimes. I like art museums.
I like history museums.
Do you like shopping for gifts?
Yes, I like buying gifts for my family and friends.
Me too. It makes me happy to give gifts.
Do you like celebrating birthdays?
Yes, I like birthdays and parties.
Me too. Birthdays are fun.
Do you like listening to stories from elders?
Yes, elders have good advice and experience.
Me too. I like listening to their stories.
Do you like quiet places or noisy places?
I like quiet places. And you?
I also like quiet places. They're peaceful.
Do you like walking alone or with friends?
I like walking with friends. And you?
I like both, but mostly with friends.
Do you like writing diaries?
Sometimes I write my thoughts in a notebook.
Me too. Writing helps me remember things.
Do you like celebrating holidays?
Yes, I like holidays and spending time with family.
Me too. Holidays are fun.
Do you like learning about history?
Yes, history is very interesting. And you?
Me too. History teaches us many things.
Do you like learning about science?
Yes, science is very interesting.
Me too. Science explains how things work.
Do you like listening to lectures?
Sometimes. If the topic is interesting, I like it.
Me too.
Do you like taking notes?
Yes, I take notes to remember important things.
Me too. Notes help me study.
Do you like asking questions?
Yes, asking questions helps me understand.
Me too. Asking is important.
Do you like answering questions?
Yes, I like answering questions.
Me too. It helps me practice.
Do you like learning new words?
Yes, new words are very useful.
Me too. I try to learn new words every day.
Do you like practicing pronunciation?
Yes, I practice speaking every day.
Me too. Pronunciation is important for speaking.
Do you like listening to English podcasts?
Yes, podcasts are very helpful.
Me too. They help me understand English better.
Do you like watching English TV shows?
Yes, I watch shows with subtitles.
Me too. It helps me learn new words.
Do you like going to English classes?
Yes, classes help me learn grammar and vocabulary.
Me too. Classes are very useful.
Do you like practicing English with friends?
Yes, it is fun to speak together.
Me too. Practice makes perfect.
Do you like speaking slowly or quickly?
I like speaking slowly to be clear.
Me too. Slow speech helps understanding.
Do you like reading English books aloud?
Yes, reading aloud improves pronunciation.
Me too. It helps me speak better.
Do you like writing simple sentences?
Yes, simple sentences are easy to remember.
Me too. I practice writing every day.
Do you like learning English grammar?
Yes, grammar is important for speaking and writing.
Me too. Grammar helps me speak correctly.
Do you like learning English vocabulary?
Yes, vocabulary is very important.
Me too. I learn new words every day.
Do you like reading English dialogues?
Yes, dialogues help me learn natural sentences.
Me too. It is very useful for speaking.
Do you like practicing English every day?
Yes, practice makes me better.
Me too. Daily practice is very important.
Do you like speaking with someone new?
Yes, it is fun to meet new people.
Me too. Talking with new people helps me learn more.
I am happy to meet you today, Bella.
Me too, Alex. It's nice to meet a new friend.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Yes, I hope so too.
Have a good day, Bella.
Thank you, Alex. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Hello.
Thank for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.